Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ford F-150 Lariat. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.0-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 88,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 14 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.